Morning, everybody. Grab a cup of coffee and a donut or three, and let's do some switching. Hey, good morning, everybody. Let's pick up where we left off. Just about one. It's going to be a very short video. We're just going to switch Union Spring. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull the train up. And we're going to have to split the train because I don't want to block Douglas Avenue for very long. So I'm going to leave 3 cars on the east side of Douglas and 1 car on the west side while we switch Union Spring. Had something happen. I hadn't had happened before. You know, I use the Rick's picks, and I have actually snapped a couple of them at the shaft, but the tip broke on it. So when I reach in here to uncouple, well, first of all, I backed up a little bit to get some slack because I found it's a little bit easier, and the real railroads have to do that too. So I had to back up just a hair just to get a little bit of slack, but when I reached in, the tip was hanging on, so I had to quickly put it down and find another one. I'm going to try to glue it, but they're not that expensive. And I'm playing around with another method that Danny Irvin told me about, but I haven't perfected it yet. So I just heard the birds fly off the bird feeder. Something spooked them. So now we're going to pull up and we'll leave the L&N boxcar on this side of Douglas. What we're going to do is the gondola right before the L&N boxcar, that has to go in Union Spring. I'm narrating this on a Thursday morning. I had my dental surgery in a few hours. So again, I'm not sure how I'm going to be able to talk this weekend, so I'm just narrating it now. I will try to put a short blurb in at the end of the video to let you know how I'm doing anyhow. We pulled the cars up past the turnout, and now we're going to back down the passing siding. I don't know if you can see from this view or not, but I replaced the loads for the steel rods. I had some styrene strips, and they're just way too big. So actually I have some steel rod. I went to a hobby shop and bought some steel rod, the smallest diameter I could find, and I stacked them on a strip of styrene and made, like a little jig for it, and actually makes the car track really well too, because it's a pretty heavy car now. Pretty cool here. It's not supposed to get out of the 30s today. Actually had a light dusting of snow last night in a few areas. Because of the location of the camera, I stopped the video and uncoupled and coupled for this, so you won't see my hand reaching in, because this is a really difficult area and to uncouple in. So We'll put the empty back on the main. Actually, it's not the main now. Just the other part of the passing siding. I'm off a couple weeks at Christmas. I may take that opportunity to try to flip Union Spring around. I've got family coming in too, and so some other stuff going on, so I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Coupling to the empty usually isn't too bad, but this is a real pain to try to uncouple. Like I said, I stopped the video and I have to look through the loading dock to see that there's just not enough. The layout's too high and I can't get my head in there to see. So we're just going to pull up and we'll back down and get the empty and we'll end here. Short video today. Again, I just wanted to be sure I got something out there for you guys to enjoy on Sunday morning. But we'll pick up from here. Part 3, we're going to have to switch General Chemical, and we've got some stuff to do on the other side. Oh, there's a train coming, but you're not going to hear it because the video is going to end. Sorry about that. So maybe you got to hear just a bit of it. Everybody stay safe.